Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel FusionX. Do you also need images for your content but you cannot find one? And you also fear copyright?
Yes, I need lots of images. But what is the solution?
Artificial intelligence is the solution. Kindly like and subscribe my channel for more such videos related to artificial intelligence.
Okay, that's enough. Get to work, please.
Okay, you can go to Google and type and search leonardo.ai image generator. Press enter. The first link that you get, open this first link. The website takes a little bit time to load. As soon as the website is going to be loaded, you can see an interface of this sort. You can also create a free account and you can see it says no credit card required, but you can directly launch the app as you can see on the screen. This would take a little bit time for loading, but once loaded, you will see the launch interface of this sort. This is a new feature introduced that gives a real-time picture, but I will teach you how to use it. For now, you can see there are a lot of pictures, artificial intelligence-based pictures generated available on this website that can be readily used as per your requirements. For now, we will go to the image generator. Click on this image generator. You will see that you have a lot of options available, and it also gives the history of the images that were previously generated by the user. And I did some of the work here, and now we will write a little boy, age 4, rather we'll make it age 8, playing with a little kitten. Okay, we have given a prompt, a boy age 8 playing with a little kitten, and we can make adjustments as per our requirements. You see, I will give the resolution that I require and I'll click generate. This takes time for the processing. It generally takes for this resolution about 20 seconds or even more sometimes to generate the image. So as you can see, it is processing. Once the processing is over, we will get the desired results, but it takes time. So please don't worry, it takes time, and be patient. And you see the first picture that has been generated by the AI. It is an AI-based image. It's totally free. You can download the image. Just click on the download button. The download will pop up automatically. You see the download is complete. And now I'm going to open this video, rather a picture, and it easily opens in Microsoft Image Viewer. This is the downloaded picture. It is a high resolution image and can be used for various works. For example, now I will check this feature. The real photo, it has, we will give the same prompt, and after processing we would see that a very reality-based picture would be generated by the artificial intelligence. It will take a time for the processing. We'll wait for that, but the results are really amazing, and you're gonna like it. You're gonna really like the results of this website. And the picture that is going to be generated is going to be very identical to that of a real image. And you can see we have got our image here, and it's a boy with a little kitten, and it is a very real image. So that's a very good response. You liked my video, and if you do, kindly like and subscribe my channel for more such content related to artificial intelligence. Thank you.